Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then do share with your family and friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the IPO schedule for the 5 upcoming IPOs which are coming together. Okay, so which are those IPOs? First one is Fino Payment Bank. Second one is Nika. Third one is Sigachi Industries. Fourth one is Policy Bazaar, and the last one is SJS Enterprises Limited. Okay, so I will share each and every detail of every IPO in this particular video. Okay, so do watch it carefully. First we talk about Fino Payment Bank. Okay, so this IPO is going to open on Friday 29th of October and going to close on Tuesday 2nd of November. The face value of each share is 10 rupee. The issue size is approximately 1200 crore. The retail quota is only 10%. The price band is varying from 560 to 577 rupee. There is no retail discount. The minimum lot is 25 shares. For one lot, you need to pay 14,425. The registrar is KFinTech Private Limited, in which you can able to check the allotment. The listing will happen on BSE as well as NSE. In retail category, the total lots available are 83,000. Allotment would be out by 9th of November. Fund unblocked by 10th of November. Credit of share into your Demat account by 11th of November. And the listing will happen on 12th of November. Okay. So now let's discuss for Nika IPO. Okay. Nika IPO is opening on 28th of October, closing on 1st of November. The face value of one share is 1 rupee. Approximately 5350 crore issue size. The retail quota is 10% only. The price ranging from 1085 to 1125. There is a employee discount of 100 rupee. In one lot, 12 shares are there. Okay, so minimum you need to pay 13,500 for one lot. Lincoln Time India Private Limited is the registrar, in which you can able to check the allotment. PSC as well as NSC listing will happen. Approximately 3,94,355 lots are available for retails. 8th November basis of allotment will come, means allotment will be out. 9th of November your fund will unblock. 10th of November credit of share into your Demat account, and by 11th of November this IPO share will get listed into the market. Now let's talk about Sigachi, our third IPO which is opening. So this IPO is opening on 1st of November and closing on 3rd of November. The face value of each share is 10 rupee. The issue size is very small, 125 crore only. The total retail quota is 35%, and if we talk about the price band, then it is ranging from 161 to 163 rupees. There is no retail discount. 90 share would be there in one lot. For one lot you need to pay 14,670 rupees. Big Share Services is the registrar, in which you can able to check the allotment. BSC as well as NSC terminal, the listing will take place. 29,925 lots available in retail category. 10th of November allotment will be out. 11th of November fund will be unblocked. 12th of November credit of share into your Demat account, and by 15th of November this IPO will get list. Our next is PolicyBazaar.com. PolicyBazaar.com is opening on 1st of November and closing on 3rd of November. The face value is rupees 2 per share. The IPO size is approximately 5700 crore. The retail quota is only 10%. The price ranging from 940 to 980 rupees. There is no retail discount. In one lot 15 share would be there. For that you need to pay 14,700. Lincoln Time India is the registrar, in which you can able to check the allotment. BSC and NSC terminal listing will happen. Total number of lots for retail category are 3,88,343 lots. Allotment will be out by 10th of November. Fund will be unblocked by 11th of November. credit of share into your demat account by 12th of November, and listing will take place on 15th of November. The last IPO which is opening is SJS Enterprises Limited. So this IPO is going to open on 1st of November and going to close on 3rd of November. The face value is rupees 10. The issue size is 800 crore. Again, the retail quota is 35%. 531 to 542 is the price band. There is no retail discount. 27 is the number of share in one lot, in which you need to pay 14,634 rupees. Link in Time India is the registrar for this particular IPO, in which you can able to check the allotment. The listing will happen on BSE as well as NSE, and in retail category total 1,91,335 lots will be there. Allotment will be out by 10th of November, fund unblocked by 11th of November, credit of share into your demat account by 12th of November, and listing will take place by 15th of November. So these all 5 IPOs are coming together and dates are clashing. So you cannot able to use one IPO money to the other IPO. Okay, so you would require the separate money for each IPO if you want to fill. Okay, I will make a separate video for the priority wise and ranking wise applicability for each IPO, in which you should apply first which IPO you should apply, in the second which IPO you should apply. So ranking wise I will make a separate video basis on the basis of gray market premium. Okay, so very soon this video will come. Till the time, happy investing. Thank you so much.